are pleased to show you the 2019 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, climate control, premium sound system. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.